Hey guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So right now, sorry for this terrible lighting. Where the hell is the good lighting at? There we go. Okay, perfect. So here I am in my outfit of the day. These black Vans. I have this fanny pack that I got from Forever 21. So cute. And then there's just neon green. Yeah, I'm literally just going to the store to buy these supplies. Going so extra, but oh yeah, and my Moonlight necklace to Hobby Lobby to get all the supplies. Might stop off at Hot Topic because they have an Ariana shirt that I am obsessed with and I have to get it. So yeah, so without further ado, let's go on to this adventure. Also, I'm gonna apologize now that I want to apologize now because I think this camera is about to die. I lost the charger, so I think I should head over to Best Buy, get a new charger because, like I said, I don't know where it went. Yeah, so if the quality switches up, it's because I switched over to my phone. Yeah, I just wanted to film this video. I didn't even explain what I'm doing. I am doing a cloud right above my bed. I think I'll insert a picture, don't know. Future me, will you do that? I don't know. Above my bed, because super cute. And let's go. Okay, bye. Okay, so I don't want to like vlog too much because then, like I said, my battery's gonna die. And we are not down for that. So right now I'm gonna head over to Hobby Lobby. Oh my god, I'm not even in frame. You know what? Get to like a red light and I'll explain where I'm going. Okay, so I finally made it to a red light and I can finally talk to you guys. So right now I'm headed over to Hobby Lobby because so I keep looking because I'm like, oh my god, I haven't vlogged in forever and it's like, oh my god, people are gonna think I'm so crazy. Okay, I made it to Hobby Lobby and we're gonna go inside. I'm probably gonna vlog on my phone because I don't really feel comfortable bringing this big old camera in. Also, yes, lighting. Actually, no, never mind. So let's go inside. Okay, so I got the goods. Now I'm ready to check out. So this isn't the best lighting, but you know, it's gonna have to do. Okay, so I obviously went into, oh my god, too bright. I went into Hobby Lobby, obviously, and then I found all the stuff that I needed, thank god, and guess what? It was all on clearance, so I'm like, I only spent $13, so I'm like, it's big time to go and get that stuff. So I got 2 of the like like cotton stuffing. Hopefully that's enough. I have another one at home, so I got, okay, and I did remember the glue stick. Glue sticks, the cotton, and then the lanterns, which were half off because they were wedding lanterns. I'm like, girl, you're not even gonna see them, I just need white ones. So they were $7.99 originally and then they were 50% off. Plus I had a coupon for 40% off like everything, which came up to 13 something. So yeah, so right now let's go home and try to make this. Hopefully I can do it as well as the picture. I already have the lights, we have the fishing like invisible string, and I think that's all I need for the most part. Yeah. Okay, so I'm back home and I have all this stuff right in front of me, ready to get started. Hopefully it doesn't take long. It's already 8:35 at night. So I have all this stuff in front of me. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you will need. You are going to need, it's like invisible wire, fishing wire, whatever you want to call that. A hot glue gun, and then glue sticks. And these were the things that I told you that I got. A big one, a medium one, and then a small one. What's going to give you like the cloud effect. So I have the Fiberfill Premium. So I got 2 of those. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I got 2 of those. Last thing, what else do you need? I think that's it. And then you just kinda, so I plan on hanging it like above my bed, so like this area. Also, like I said, if my camera dies, it has like 2 bars left. I don't know where the charger is, so I'm gonna switch over to either my Rebel or I'll film on my phone. I don't know yet. The first things first, let's open this, and hopefully it's easy because I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just like winging it. The small one. No, I don't really know what this is. Sorry you guys can't really see my face. I mean, not that you guys want to, but came with these. I think you put them in the lantern to like extend them. I don't know. Okay, so I have them all blown up. Just put that like wiring in them. So the small one, the big one, and then the medium one. In the video I watched, she had all different sizes. It's gonna be pretty big because they're gonna connect like that. Excuse my knee. We're just gonna now super glue or hot glue some of this padding onto this. It doesn't have to be even. Like clouds are all different shapes and sizes. We don't discriminate. And it just got to look pretty because it's gonna be displayed. Don't know how we're gonna get the lights in there. Maybe I should do that before. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Let me watch a tutorial. Okay, this is actually very hard. Like the lady on the tutorial, this girl, shout out to you because you did so good. She made it look so easy, but it's like, this is not looking right. Hers looks so good. What am I doing wrong, girl? Let me know. Okay. My cloud is looking a little bald in like so many places. That ain't it, girl. Okay, I just want to say I'm on the second one. This is the hardest thing ever. Like, props to the girl who did this because I'm like burning myself. Yeah, this ain't it. Oh, that's what I'd be talking about. My poor hands. Like, what? This ain't it. Okay, guys, so I thought I would spare you the whole like doing all of it because I mean pretty much you just pour super glue. I mean, I don't know if there's a better technique, but the technique that I was doing it, you basically just pour the super glue onto the like globe thing. So right now they're pretty much done. I'm just gonna fill in because there's a few bald spots that I was just scared that I was gonna run out of glue. I literally used half of the freaking, you might as well just get like 2 of these, to be honest. Well, not even 2, but I would get 2 just in case, but you're fine with 1 because I still have extra left over, so maybe just get 1. Well, then again, these are the mini ones, so that's probably why they went by a little bit quicker than the other ones. The small one, like I said, there's a few bald spots. I'm not sure if you guys can see on camera. Do you see that? Like, there you go. Now you can see there's some bald spots that I'm just gonna fill in. They have a lot of the cotton left over. This is 1 bag, and then I haven't even opened another bag. I was gonna get 3, thank God I didn't get 3. So yeah, so I'm just gonna spare you guys that. Oh my god, my battery's about to die. I'll see you guys when I finish, and yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill it in, and then the bald spots, just pour some super glue and stick some cotton on there. That's pretty much it. So next step is gonna be to hang it, which I'm excited for. I'm nervous to run the lights through it, but we'll see what we can do. Okay, so I just finished, and I am obsessed, like you have no idea. Okay, so it took me, what time did I start? We started around 8 and I completely finished just now, which it is, come on, 10. So it's about 2 hours. It's 10:25 to be exact, but it's about 2.5 hours if you count the 25, almost half an hour. But yeah, it's finally done, and I'm sure you guys are maybe excited to see the final result. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. So first I'm gonna show you with the lights off, and then I'll show you with the lights on. It's not like completely done. I still have to make my bed. I'll show you guys that after, but I just want to show you because I'm so excited. So I'll just show you like I literally just like got off the bed from stuffing it and fixing it and filling it. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera. Okay, so here is the final product. I put the big one in the middle, the small one on this side, and then the medium size on that side. So put it on like a fade where it just does all the colors. But yeah, it's super cute. Like I said, I put it above my bed. I'll make it so that you guys can get the full effect. Obsessed. So yeah, I'm gonna clean my room and then I'll just do like a quick little montage of it once I clean my room and show you guys the finished product, the actual finished product. Okay, so here is the finished product. Let me step back. Put it above my bed. I still haven't found a place for the wire, but we'll worry about that later. This, because it looks better in person, trust me. It's harder to pick up on camera, but I'm obsessed. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, you guys, so that completes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button down below as well. I do some DIYs, so look out for those. I'm always like getting inspired and feel like, oh my god, that looks so cute, I have to do it. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you. Hope it made you laugh because, like I said, my fingers are so burnt. It's done, and I can't wait for it to look good when my room is like extra clean. Follow me on all of my social media as always. It'll be linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.